Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get around your home screen in Xiaomi 13T. So we're gonna start from the folders. If you want to add any or create, just hold any up and drop onto another. Now you can change the name of it, but you can also change the size by holding the finger on it. Now just tap on edit and you can choose one of the three size. Then tap on the accept icon and we have a large folder. If you want to remove that, just take out all of the apps to the home screen back. Okay, after that we can go to the widgets, so hold your finger on them to place on the screen and go to the widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on it and select the place for it on the home screen. Now you can hold the finger on it to remove that if you need. Okay, the next one, open the gear icon to change the transition effect, so just tap on anyone to play the preview and choose on the done. You can also change the home screen layout to change the amount of duplication in the rows and in the columns. Now we can go to the more, then you can manage the Google Discover. This is the -1 screen on the left side, so you can turn it off or turn it on like you wish. You can also change the animation speed and change the icon size. And that's it. Thanks for watching, give us a like, recommend, and goodbye.